A lot of dealerships utilize an operator log, meaning you have the operator log every single sales call that comes into the dealership. Now, just because you have a log and the operator utilizes a log, it does not mean that sales managers get involved. You want to make sure that a manager touches every single call that is on this operator log. You should know exactly what is happening with each and every phone call. A lot of times I'll go into dealerships and I'll say, do you have an operator log? Well, what do you mean? A log where the operator writes down every single sales call that comes in? Yeah, we have one. And I'll grab the log, and a huge percentage of the time, more than half of the time, when I enter in the phone number into the CRM, the customer has either not been entered into the system or nobody has done any follow-up calls with that customer since the call came in. If there is 10 calls on this operator log, 10 managers should touch these opportunities, just like you would with the showroom floor opportunities. Managers, if you do not have an operator log, you should probably put one in place. Even if your calls are recorded, even if you're utilizing an 800 number, have an operator log that you can reconcile things against. And every single day, go through the log, put the phone number into CRM, and you'd be very surprised how many car deals you'll run into.